Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I wanted to show you a few things that I picked up for Stocktober, and I'm going to give you a few hints on how you can get them at a very low cost or sometimes free. Alright, first I'm going to tell you, if you see any roadside stands, stop by. Now I'm in Michigan and we're really at the very end of our growing season here. And people are getting tired. They just want to get, done with the season and move on. Their kids are back to school, whatever. And I stopped at a little roadside stand. I picked up this cauliflower. It is 9 pounds and 13 ounces of cauliflower. I picked that up for $3. Along with that, I received the peppers. So that was $3 for both of those. They were basically, these were 50 cents for two, and he was selling this one for $1. Okay, so that was $3 over there. The watermelons were 2 for $1. So there is $4 that I spent. The squash, I helped somebody clean out their garden, and they were getting rid of whatever was left. I got all of these squash for free. This is a Blue Hubbard, and these are buttercups. Now, these will store very well in a cool place until probably early spring. I also picked up, this and this was another $1, along with this delicata squash and the garlic. So in total, I spent $5 for all of this food. I have watermelons, squash, summer squash, an onion, delicata squash, the garlic, as well as that cauliflower and those peppers. So for $5, you might be able to find a whole lot of food. And let me tell you, what am I going to do with an almost 10-pound cauliflower? I'm going to chop it up. We can have some for dinner, and the rest will get frozen for later meals. I do grow my own green peppers, but I never get them to this point where they're sweet peppers. So I'm going to chop these up, and they're going to be frozen so that I can use them in meals where I want sweet pepper, not just plain green pepper. The watermelon, I'm going to do a couple of things with it. One is I'm going to eat one fresh. The other one, believe it or not, you can dehydrate it into a leather and save that for the winter. I have frozen it and eaten it sort of like a popsicle. It's really good that way. The watermelon rinds, I just posted a video for you guys showing that you can preserve those to extend your budget a little bit. So it's like I'm getting several meals for, $1 here. The squash, as I mentioned, that will store very well. Summer squash will get eaten up for dinner. I could slice and freeze it, put it in recipes, whatever. That's a candy onion. That's why I got that specific one. It's not a regular one. It's a super sweet onion. I have a couple recipes I want to use that for. And, of course, you can't go wrong with garlic. And the delicata, it saves for a little while, but I'll be eating this within a week or two. One other item I picked up was this 25-pound bag of onions from a different stand. They only wanted $8 for 25 pounds, so I picked it up. I'm going to go through them. I'm going to chop a lot of them. I can dehydrate them if I want. I'm going to caramelize a bunch, so that I have them for the winter. And I'm going to pick out the best ones just to save for fresh eating, or I could chop them and freeze those as well. So this is one simple way that you can save money in the long run on your grocery budget by stocking up now while people are getting rid of the end of season produce. Well, I hope you guys found that helpful. It was a quick video, I know, but look outside the box for items that you might want to stock up on. The other thing too is look around if you have anybody in your neighborhood that has apple trees and you see them lying on the ground a lot. Most likely they're not using them. They may not look the prettiest, they may not be grocery store perfect, but they make great applesauce and things like that. And just by cleaning them up, you might be able to get a whole lot of them for free. So anyway, let me know your ideas in the comments below on simple ways that you could stock up for cheap. And you guys have a wonderful day.